if you want to make money with Android app or any mobile app through Play Store or App Store, this video is for you. Today's video, I will show you how you can make your fast Android app with AI. If you have no coding language, no programming language, no problem. You can easily make the Android app to follow my video. Just follow my video, you will get the total idea of the app making. Okay. In this video, we'll use the Claude AI, which will help you to start your mobile app making process. Okay. So right now you can see I am in Claude and I have asked Claude to give me some easy app making. Like they have suggested me some utility apps and some AI powered apps. So before starting our app, we need to select our app which we need to make. Like I have selected the bio generator. This is AI powered. So I will choose the bio generator and just ask the Claude that I choose bio generator. Give me app building prompt with feature, with like MVP feature. MVP means the minimal viable product. MVP feature. Okay, let's see. So I have my all prompt. Now we have to go to our Android Studio. Then like if you have to click on new project, then empty views activity, then click next and just type bio generator AI. I just named with this bio generator AI and this will be Kotlin and this is the Kotlin DSL recommended. Okay, just click finish and let's wait for finish. Okay, you can see our building is completed. Now if you click running devices, there is no running devices. So after building our app, we need to select the devices where we can run our app. Just click device manager. You can see it is showing medium phone API 36. So I am just click on start and you can see launching emulator. So our emulator is opening. Then after within some seconds, you will see how the app is showing. Like you can see our mobile screen is opening. Okay. Now go back to your Claude. We have our app building prompt. Just copy this app building prompt and at Claude AI, you have to select the project and you have to select the new project. Okay. At first you have to click Claude. Sorry, not code. At cowork, then click project, then click new project and use an existing folder. We'll choose our Android app folder. So I have selected at Android Studio project. I have created like, yes, that's one. Bio generator app. Just select this folder and click open and you can click create project. And you can see our project is references has been added and now we have to add here prompt. Like I want to make this app the language analyze my project and start building. Here is my prompt and paste the prompt here and within some minutes your app will be start building. So let's wait how it does. You can see right now there is thinking. So they will analyze our folder and they start building our app. So let's wait for building. You can see I have mentioned just it will be Kotlin app at Android Studio because my prompt has like web app. That's why I have clearly mentioned that it will be like Kotlin app at Android Studio. Now let's wait. You can see our project has completed. They are showing to sync project. So let's go to Android Studio and just click try again. You can see there's a lots of error, right? So let's see what happened. We can see there is a lots of problems. So we just copy this error. And hey, now you can see that our project has been completed and you can see there's a lot of reward has been created like this one, the activity main. If I click double click, this is the activity main and this is the activity home. This is the home page. You can see so nice design with created by Claude AI. So let's run the app. Just simply click on this button, the run app, and let's see how it looks like. Okay. So you can see our app is running and you can see launching and devices. So jump, boom, the app is opening. So you can see our app is completed and you can see your name, job, interest, and just click generate bio and your bio will be created. And you can see there is also subscriptions like GoPro for like 2.99 per month. So they have created our subscription. So with just single prompt, our app is will be ready to publish at our app. So thank you so much for today. Next video will be more amazing, interesting. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.